have is this white glittery one. And that's the first one.
This white fluffy one. That's sticky.
Neat green slime. Next we have this bubblegum one.
Next we have the slime called Lavender Paradise.
We have a purple glitter slime. We have this red glitter one.
Next we have this blue glitter one. And it's so much pretty.
We have this pink one. We have this foam slime. It is pink with some foam on it. So yeah.
Next we have this jiggly white slime with one foam ball in it.
We have a light blue slime. Next we have the strawberry butter slime. And it's a soft butter slime. So here is a demonstration. Very nice. So yeah.
Next we have this corally scarlet color slime. This blue slime.
Next we have this blue slime and it has little strawberries in it, and I'll show you that. These strawberries.
We have this chocolate butter slime. And it spreads really nicely.
Next one we have is this pink slime. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button
And the like button.
Comment down below what was your favorite slime.